In this video, you'll learn how to book deep cleaning services on Wecasa. By following these steps, you will successfully schedule a thorough cleaning for your home, ensuring all necessary details are covered. Start by visiting the Wecasa website at wecasa.co.co.co.co.co.co.co.co.co.co.co.uk or by opening the Wecasa app on your mobile device. If you're using the website, ensure that it loads completely to access the full range of services. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the cleaning services section. This can typically be found in the main menu or on the home page itself. Look for the option labeled Deep Cleaning and select it to proceed with your booking. Next, you will be prompted to fill in your address, availability, and the duration of the service. Keep in mind that the minimum duration for deep cleaning is 2 hours. Enter your details accurately to avoid any scheduling issues. After entering your address and availability, there is a comment section where you can add specific requirements. It is important to clearly specify any particular needs you have, such as areas that require extra attention or any special instructions for the cleaning professional. Once you've provided all necessary information, you may also choose to indicate your preference for cleaning products. If you have pets, make sure to mention this as well for the comfort of both your pets and the cleaning staff. Remember that you need to book your appointment at least 2 hours in advance of your desired time. After submitting your booking request, you will receive a confirmation once a professional accepts it. This confirmation will ensure that your appointment is secured. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.